आप 200 करोड़ पे ध्यान दो, सब छोड़ो। दूसरी तीसरी कोई आ गई ना, ये 200 करोड़ ले जाएगी।
The ongoing Govinda and Sunita Ahuja controversy has taken yet another dramatic turn. Just a day after reportedly withdrawing her divorce petition against Govinda, Sunita has made fresh claims about the actor's alleged equation with his co-star Rani Swarnakar. In a phone conversation with actress Rakhi Sawant, Sunita reportedly claimed that Govinda and Rani were planning to get married. She even gave Rani a rather unusual nickname, Chicken Tikka. But these claims have not been independently verified. So, what exactly did Sunita say and how did Rakhi Sawant react? Let's take a look.
आप 200 करोड़ पे ध्यान दो, सब छोड़ो। दूसरी तीसरी कोई आ गई ना, ये 200 करोड़ ले जाएगी।
The latest controversy unfolded when Rakhi Sawant was interacting with paparazzi in Mumbai. During the interaction, Rakhi called Sunita and put her on speakerphone. Sunita spoke about the criticism she has been facing online and then made a major claim about Govinda and Rani Swarnakar. According to Sunita, she had withdrawn her divorce case and claimed that Govinda and Rani were allegedly planning to get married. Her remarks came amid growing speculations about Govinda's relationship with his co-star.
सुनीता जी कैसे हो? मैं ठीक हूँ। बहुत अच्छा किया आपने जो भी किया। तुम जानते हो मैं तुम्हारे सपोर्ट में हमेशा खड़ी हूँ सुनीता जी। सुनीता जी मैंने अभी बोला है, घर की दाल चावल राइस प्लेट घर का होता है। बाहर चिकन तंदूरी और चिकन टिक्का खा के कोई फायदा नहीं है, तबीयत खराब हो जाएगी। हाँ सही बात है। हाँ सही बात है। छोड़ो, आप छोड़ो, आप 200 करोड़ पे ध्यान दो, सब छोड़ो। दूसरी तीसरी कोई आ गई ना, ये 200 करोड़ ले जाएगी। पहले अपने नाम पे सब कुछ कर लो प्लीज, मेहरबानी। हाँ अच्छा हुआ, मैंने बोला ना बहुत अच्छा किया, केस वापस ले लिया, बहुत अच्छा किया। अच्छा लव यू, मैं बाय शूटिंग पे हूँ, मैं बाद में बात करती हूँ।
The speculation intensified after Govinda and Rani were recently photographed together at an airport. Sunita had previously spoken about their equation and even accused Govinda of being Rani's sugar daddy. Govinda later responded to those remarks in a video message.
जिस वक्त मैंने फिल्म शुरू की है, आप एक भी कसर नहीं छोड़ रही हैं कि मैं लोगों के दिल से उतर जाऊं, बदनाम हो जाऊं या कुछ ऐसा हो जाए कि मेरा बिजनेस ना हो। उम्र का ये जो सिलसिला आपने चलाया है, तो मैं आपकी माहिती के लिए पुनः याद दिला दूं, देश के सभी बड़े कलाकारों ने उन सभी लड़कियों के साथ काम किया जो यंगस्टर्स रही। उन्हें अच्छी फिल्म, नाम, शोहरत और इज़्ज़त मिली और इन्हें युवाओं के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला, इसीलिए ये युवा नज़र आए। आप चाह नहीं रही है कि मैं युवा कैसे दिख सकता हूँ। ये जो पॉडकास्ट चला रही हैं और ये जो बेइज्जती किए जा रही हैं, आप थोड़ा सा आपके हद में रहिए, ऐसी आपसे प्रार्थना है।
Govinda and Sunita's marriage has been under public scrutiny for some time. Reports of trouble between the couple have been circulated, with Sunita previously speaking about their living arrangements and the relationship. The latest developments have only added to speculations. However, it is important to note that the claims about Govinda and Rani allegedly being in a relationship or planning to marry have not been independently verified. Neither Govinda nor Rani has publicly confirmed such marriage plans. The controversy has also attracted reactions from other celebrities. Poonam Pandey and Somi Ali have publicly expressed their support for Govinda amid the ongoing dispute. Meanwhile, Sunita has continued to make headlines with her candid comments about her marriage and Govinda's personal life. Her latest remarks have once again put the couple's relationship under the spotlight. The big question now is, what exactly is the current status of Govinda and Sunita's marriage? Sunita reportedly withdrew her divorce petition on August 19, but her latest comments suggest that the relationship continues to remain complicated. At the same time, there is no official confirmation from Govinda or Rani Swarnakar regarding the marriage claims made by Sunita. For now, fans and followers are left trying to make sense of the statements coming from different sides. From divorce rumors to sugar daddy, allegations and now claims of a possible wedding, the Govinda-Sunita saga seems to be getting more complicated with every passing day. While Sunita has made fresh allegations about Govinda and Rani, these claims remain unverified. Govinda, meanwhile, has asked for restraint and urged Sunita to avoid making personal remarks publicly. The question is, will this public war of words finally come to an end, or is there more drama waiting to unfold? What do you think about the latest Govinda-Sunita controversy? Let us know in the comments below.